Wide open.
Hola, hola. Skipper nimashanga malini? Choko. Oh, hayi. Thina mina ngithukuthusela umzimba uyabona.
Ngiyabonga kamla.
Thank you baba.
Sho nduna ne.
Tango. Manje ngigawula ngani? Ya ma.
Shamdu.
Thank you. Hayi mnandi.
Ngiyabonga ne.
Yeah. You good?
Help me there.
Oh, the radiator. Oh, you know all about cars because, yeah. Oh, not because you used to work at a gas station. Oh, okay. Actually, I don't think this is the best place to eat at, you know. Let me see how far are we from this place. Okay. This is like one of the big towers that we have here.
That's the one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Saw it in District 9, Chappie and all that.
Oh, yeah.
About imagine that.
I feel like it needs like a DSLR. Yeah. Oh, it's crazy how it just fogged up so quick. Look at it now. Yeah, we can cross.
In Thailand or
Yeah, that's it. Now we just cross. No warning, no nothing. Okay, these are taxis, right?
Oh, really?
Yeah, so these are like shared rides.
Okay, shuttle.
Yeah. No, it's not like a shuttle. Okay, you can call it that, I guess. Yeah, because when it's like this, it's way cheaper than, you know, in New York they have the yellow taxis. Yeah, it's way cheaper because if it's like about 15 of us in there, we can pay less money.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
Yeah, so.
You know what, like, the time you go to New York City in the
Uh-huh.
future, I say when you do, because you want to manifest that energy, right?
100%.
Make sure you do this at least. Before you go back to the airport, say,
Hola. Yeah? Yeah, Mshamadi. We. This guy. No, he was asking if we're shooting videos. Yeah, but I was like, yeah.
oh, you didn't want to be on camera.
Nah. I think he was interested. It's just that I didn't even want to take.
Raw photos. Sometimes Snapchat will get me shit for that.
Oh, did you get it?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
That was quick.
I know it's like sometimes I used to post content on like when weekend shops or whatever.
Yeah.
And I would get kind of flagged for that. But then again, no, like Snapchat and all that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so like post stream, most of chick stuff.
Oh.
It's like when you run into this mannequins, right?
Uh-huh.
You know what? I just leave the camera out there.
Oh, even something like a mannequin. I don't know if you can see that this is actually where we started. Where we did pass here. Now from here we're just gonna go straight. Online, we low-key look like the secret police.
Oh yeah. Sometimes it's like just look at their shoes. If you can run fast enough,
Uh-huh.
that's how they'll.
Secret police. That's a crazy concept. I think there's like a priest that's praying for people. Yeah, yeah, you see their hands up.
Ngiyamkhonza umuntu lapha eGoli angihlali lapha eHostel rent 6000 wabheka eCrest. Ngiyithatha phi imali bazali? Cha, nginomqondo nemanager yami. Manager yami nali iphethi lami phansi shaya izandla manje go. Ayiphakamise yami imanager ngase stage. Uma uyithatha igqoba kanje ayisho ukuthi ishuyi, ikuthule nje ithethu. Phela abantu abo-20. Sengiyahamba bafethu. Abantu abo-20 ake ngisefuna ngiyaqola mkhulu wami. Ngizomnikela lapho. Ngizomnikela. Ngizomnikela isihlalo sipho sami.
I wonder what iPhone is that?
12 or
Really?
I think iPhone 14 or something. I got it last year.
Oh,
So whatever came out back then.
oh, it's really clean. The content, like the camera is really good.
Oh yeah, yeah. I want to get
Oh, the 17.
yeah.
Okay.
Because sometimes we make videos like background the camera, the quality shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I like using GoPro sometimes. Or I keep my camera at a neutral lens, so it doesn't blur out too much.
Let's cross the street and go that side. Taking a picture of a fried chicken thing.
You know Burger King?
Yeah, yeah.
In Australia, they call it Hungry Jacks.
Why?
I know, right? But I noticed on every country, continent, they customize it, right? And they'll call it KFC, they call it something else.
Is it to appeal to the local market or?
Train still comes to you?
No, it's not, probably not gonna come anytime soon.